In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload image to Google Drive and get shareable link. So, first open your browser and search for Google Drive. Open first link from Google. Here you can create new account or just connect with existing account by pressing Go to Drive. Now we have a few options. First, we can just drag and drop image from another folder to Google Drive. Second option is right-clicking in your drive, selecting File Upload, and then selecting file you would like to upload and clicking Open. As you can see, file is being uploaded. Now by right-clicking on File and selecting and hovering over Share, we can select Copy Link option. When we copy link, we can share it anywhere. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, give it thumbs up and consider helping me reach 1,000 subscribers so I can make more tutorials. Thanks for watching.